Hello, YouTube. So, I had some audio issues again in the morning on Saturday morning where it did not record any of the audio. I think I figured out what's causing it, so I'm hoping it doesn't happen again. But for the time being, you're going to get a voiceover of me kind of in the morning session of videos. So, for this portion here, I hauled the rest of the siding up to the cabin and used it and just set it on top of the dump trailer. I made a little mounting bracket and everything, and it worked out really well. So if I ever need to carry long material, that's what I'm going to use again. This is just some time lapse. It'll be some essentially time lapse of us creating the putting together the scaffold, just kind of attaching it into the house there. Just looking at the 2x6 that runs along the thing, and then here's video of us just throwing it together. I'll put it to some music and you can just watch it until I come back.
All right, so I just discovered all the videos I took this morning. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because there's no sound. The microphone wasn't on. I had that a couple weeks ago. I don't know, it's frustrating, but so yeah, you'll hear. Well, by this time you'll have heard the voiceover. But anyways, after lunch, um, my dad and I finished the rest of the scaffolding. I didn't record anything for that, so we got these put up, the planks put in. This is all attached here. It's very solid. It's not going anywhere. To get up to the scaffolding plank is pretty simple. You just, because I ripped off the balcony for the second floor, or the railing for the second floor balcony last week. You can just walk out here and onto the scaffolding plank. And this is nice. It's accessible. I got a nice railing here. I'll replace this level, and then once this is done, I'll work on getting another level up for the top part and doing that then. So should be good for now. Bandit. Bandit. Can you sit? Sit. That is not sit. Sit. That is not sit. Thank you. Shake. No. Shake. You are, no, sit. Shake. Good boy. Good boy. Shake again. Sorry. It wasn't on the video. Shake. No, shake. Come on. It's a little half-hearted shake. He saw this monkey got one. He was, all right. I don't know where the bird is. Now he's silent. There he goes. There's a crow that's got a deformed vocal cord or something.
Oh.
And it sounds like a person screaming.
It sounds like a goat.
Yeah, a goat. Yeah, it does sound like a goat. I don't know if you can hear it on there.
Whoa.
I can't see him right now.
It's a nice view from up here. Then you go through here. And you can walk up the steps. And now you're inside. Which, it's not really been much since I just kind of made this one. These are the support beams. And also, if you would to put like any of your water, I'd probably put it about here. That any food, probably say, basically anywhere you can do it really. It's just, anyway,
Answer. What shape is it?
it's a triangle.
No, but what's that called? What is our house called?
An A-frame.
Yeah.
So it's in the tiny A-frame.
Oh, you made a little tiny A-frame.
From the other side, peeking in.
Oh, up there?
As the tree. No, the other side is like under the boards and then go on the other
Other. That also has another opening right here. And kind of like the doggy door.
That's the doggy door.
Well, I don't think any
A rat door.
small doors, but it's
Yeah.
really a rat door. Not so an oxygen door. And up here we have the big window.
All right, it's Sunday morning. We're back at it again. I did a little bit of work last night. We stayed overnight, so we're on the scaffolding right now. I added this piece just now, so I need to climb up here. I got to do some trimming of the bottom of that board in order for me to fit this sheet in, because otherwise it's way too tight. So we're gonna work on that now. I gotta get these bolts out. You have these, I think they were just there for anchors for maybe a ladder. I'm not sure. They were on the other side too, and I just pulled them out, and I don't use them. So hopefully we'll get those out, but we'll get working on that. So my wife always teases me that we don't go out to nice places to eat. And I said, this is the most romantic dinner we've ever had with a nice table piece. So she's very happy. All right, we are done for the weekend. It is very hot here. I've got everything all packed up, getting ready to load into the truck. We got, let me back up here. We got everything done with the second row. So second row is done. This weekend, my phone camera, this is all I use is my phone camera. It shut off multiple times because they're record highs here. It's like upper 80s, which for here is really warm. So I don't know how much video, because my phone would shut off every once in a while just because of the heat. So I'm not sure exactly what I got for footage. And then I had the audio issue from when I came here Saturday morning. So it's not been the best week for videos. And that along with the heat, I'm burnt out for this weekend. But we got it done. Next weekend, I'll be back up here again. My dad is busy, so he won't be around. It'll just be me. But we're hoping to do that triangle. The top triangle. I don't know if I can show it to you with the sun and everything, but and get that piece in, and that will be nice. And then yeah, so I'll work on that next weekend. Hope you have a good week.